Red 7:30 p.m. at night, so that's no. And 10 a.m. is when the session starts. 9:45 a.m. is registration and attendance. 9:30 is when you're meant to come. So please.
Very clever question. Very clever question. I am so proud, Hamza. You're doing great.
Iman was the only one that got points on the leaderboard.
Yeah, it's true. She got now triple the 5-figure score. So remember, 9:30 come and it's a socializing time. Check your microphone. See a couple of people. What do you
my question is a bit.
What do you do when you start? Wow! What happened here? Didn't they have many students there? Right? Something confusing. Okay, anyway, one thing Hamza want to tomorrow there'll be no housekeeping, there'll be this theme. These questions again tomorrow. So people who missed some of the things, just remember the correct answer and we will play them together tomorrow in the start of the session. Is it a good idea, Hamza?
Yes, also please mind my English when you are stuck.
It's okay. We are learning.
Manal is now
She's
second.
back. Xavier joined as well. Prira, they all see this game is very competitive and it's very fair because you can't win by accident. Keep going. It's fun. Last two questions, guys. What does stands for? Oh, this is hard. Wow.
What?
I think we have got some outsider. Looks like they got a ping from somewhere. Somebody shared. Anyway, they are not winning, so we care. We don't care because there's a 32 people joined by some reason. Iman, wow, she's totally surprised me.
Last question.
Last question, guys. Last chance to beat. Oh, this is. Oh, guys, come on. Any chance we can beat Iman? So these people listen. You know these five. I think not. So 3 stands for. Do you know 3 stands for? Engage, environment, encouragement. So we engage with. So wherever you want to learn something or teach someone, engage with them. This is for mentors. Engage with your learners. Provide them all the resources to set the environment. And the last thing is encourage each other, like we are trying to do together. Okay. So let's go. See who's the winner later. Coding, Kahoot, take a picture. Make sure Hamza you take a snapshot.
Yep.
Manal, congratulations again, congratulations, and the winner is coming, Madeline! Congratulations! And 2 more people, Frida was there, they're very excited. And clap for yourself! Excellent game, I really enjoyed.
Okay, now we go back.
Back to work, boring stuff. Okay, Hamza. See you next time.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so don't forget to share your projects for show off time. Okay, so what you need to go is into my stuff, and then you click on the project you in that you name it like this. So number one, you have your name, and then you have a hyphen with your